Viewers, welcome back to our channel. आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे निंजा फूड प्रोसेसर की. Let's start. In the box we have 1200 watt motor base, 1.8 liter food processor bowl and chopping blades, 2.1 liter jug and total crushing blades, 700 ml cup, pro extractor blades, slicing and grating discs, and dough tool. Reading material. This is the food processor bowl, blending mug, dough blades, spindle, slicing and grating disc. This is the large jug, and this is the motor. Food processing motor has preset auto IQ programs which include blending, maximum blending, chopping, puree, mixing, and below are the manual modes: low, medium, high, and pulse. Okay, food processor has a motor base which is 1200 watt. It's a very strong motor. It has a food processing bowl of 1.8 liter, 2.1 liter jug, 700 ml cup for making shakes. Now we are going to test how this food processor will practically perform. We are using the fresh strawberries. With the peels, we will use these peels for our garden. Let's close that. We have used the IQ mode, and our shake is ready. As you can see, we have this cover as well, which you can directly apply and use it to drink. It's a very convenient and new feature. You can drink directly from the mug. Now we are going to test this large jug by making a smoothie. We are putting in the frozen berries. Milk. Our smoothie is ready. Now we are going to test the food processing bowl by grinding the meat. Chop. کافی اچھے سے جو ہے وہ چاپ ہو چکا ہے اور یہ بالکل ہی منس بن چکا ہے. آپ دیکھ سکتے ہیں اٹس پرفیکٹ. پلاسٹک از ویری ڈیوریبل. Product quality is also very good. Now we are going to prepare a dough. So we are adding the dough blade of flour. Function of mix. We are adding more water. Our dough is ready, as you can see. And now we are going to use the disc which is used for slicing and grating. We will use both. This is the pusher. Pusher has two parts. You can see this is the small one and this is for the big one. Cucumber which is big in size, so we have to half it. Now I'm going to show you the manual mode. Let's start with the low. You can see slices. This is how it is. Now we'll test the grating disc. For that we have to take out the disc and put it inversely. These are the grooves for grating. Let's start with the low. These are the pieces which are left, as you can see. Now we'll take out the disc and show you how it grates. You can see it's very finely grated. Ninja food processor is a very good machine, and we really tried every part of the processor, and we are very happy with the purchase. And we will also share you with the later update after 5 or 6 months how it is going to perform. I hope this video would have been helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching.